How to clear the cache from your apps in your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can clear the cache of your apps in the iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your iPhone settings, and from here you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the general. You have to click on it. And from here you have to go in the iPhone storage. So now once you're in the iPhone storage, as you can see that there is all of the apps that is in your iPhone. So if you select over any of the app that you want to clear the cache, as you can see that here is the option of the offload app, but there is no option of the clear the cache. So what you have to do is simply click on this offload app. Now by offloading your specific app, it will delete the app but keep all of its document and the data, that is, but it also keep the storage that is used by the app. So you just have to click on the offload app, and it will also work as the cache from your apps in your iPhone. So you just have to offload it, and you are able to clear the cache from your apps in your iPhone. So that's how you can clear the cache from apps in your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.